I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for joining us, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for clicking on this video. We are back with another wig review. We are reviewing the Outre Melted Hairline Matilda wig. Let's get into this cap construction. As y'all can see, it has 3 combs. This wig is glueless because it has this pre-attached elastic band, and then it does come with your regular adjustable straps as well. Now this wig does come in 12 colors. The color that I have is dark violet. This wig is 26 inches. You can put up to 400 degrees of heat on it. It does come with your soft HD transparent lace. Of course, it comes with the pre-styled bangs. It has a 5-inch deep parting space, a completely pre-plucked hairline, which is what I'm showing you all here. Like I always say, their hairlines are very beginner friendly because you don't have to do anything to it. And especially with this one, because you won't really be seeing the hairline, you really won't need to do anything to it. But if you did decide to pull it up, then it still has that nice hairline. But as y'all know, I like to follow the hairline on the wigs and go in a zigzag motion to cut that lace off, so we mimic a natural hairline. Now it's time to get into this install. I want to show y'all that my hair is finally braided. If you know, you know. I will link my haven't washing my hair in 6 months video, because y'all know I used to just slick it down in a puff and not do anything to it, but I'm trying to be better about that. I'm going in with my Red by Kiss wig spray, and then I did go in with 4 layers of spray because I really want this wig to be melted into the skin. Of course, we're going to blow dry that down, and then I take the back of a rat tail comb just to ensure that it's melted into the skin. Now, the hairline of these wigs usually do come down a little bit further than my hairline because I have a smaller head, so I usually have to go in and cut off a little bit extra around the ears. And then from there, of course, it's time to melt it into the skin even more, so I'm just going in with my elastic band and leaving it on for 10 minutes.
Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you JP Monday.
Alright y'all, so now it's time to actually see what we're working with this wig. I have not worn a hairstyle like this since high school. I have not had Chinese bangs since high school. If I can find a picture, I will insert it for y'all so y'all know what I'm talking about. But I'm just combing it through, trying to assess the situation and see where I need to go from here.
My neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back.
And as y'all can see, those bangs are like super long. They come down past my nose, so I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm gradually cutting it because I didn't want to initially cut off too much, because once you do that, you can't go back and then the wig will be ruined. So I do believe I end up having to cut the bangs about 3 times, but this is going to be the first initial cut, and then we're going to see what else I need to do from here.
Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you black.
So at this point, they are still pretty long, but I was like, maybe if I curled them or like bumped them under, maybe I wouldn't need to cut them anymore and they'll be out of my face. That was literally not the case. I am going in with my Red by Kiss curling iron. Y'all know I love this because it has those adjustable heat settings. But yeah, that was pretty much not the case. I do end up having to go in and cut more of those bangs.
Black girl, if you black girl, if you JP. Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you JP.
And then here we are going in for a second time, cutting more of those bangs off.
My neck, my back,
So what a rip round.
Y'all, at this point, I'm really trying to play around with the wig, trying to get it to my liking, trying to make this as natural looking as it can because I know this isn't a natural hair color. But y'all, at this point, I was almost kind of like regretting it. I was so nervous. That's what I was saying here because I told y'all I haven't worn this hairstyle in so long. I didn't even really know how this hair was going to turn out on me. But I'm like, we just going to keep going with it. And that is the third time I cut it. And that was the final time that I cut the bangs. And then I'm going in with that curling iron again, just smoothing out the top of the wig so we don't have any bumps and bumps, smoothing out the bangs, and then I'm combing out that hair. As y'all can see, I am getting some tangles because this is 26 inches and it's synthetic, and when you have long synthetic hair, tangles are inevitable, so just be aware of that. The wig is big head friendly as always because this would have fit over my puff as well. A lot of their wigs usually do. I hope y'all love this wig as much as I do. I ended up falling in love with it. But if y'all love this video, make sure y'all give it a fat thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button to join the ALB fam because where else would you want to be? I love y'all, and until the next video, bye y'all.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been